Howdy, y'all. I said, howdy, y'all. It's 420 in the Southern Grindhouse Party. Am I really this Southern? Fuck no. I'm just making fun of Gene Lane. I mean, what the fuck is he doing down south singing about Uncle Tom's Cabin and shit? Shouldn't he be out twirling his wooden spoon and Bobby Brown's cherry pie? Oh.
Just for the record, let's get the story straight. Uncle Tom of fishing, it was getting pretty late. Out on the surface, living the ocean way. Where they say you got no bottom, so they take you down again.
Oh. That's right. Keeping him that sharp, Jamie. Son of a bitch. Dickie. Jamie doesn't know what a fucking F sharp is. Just let he makes up his own keys. Just leave him alone. Please. Go, come here. Let's go get some cherry pie. I think I just saw Bobby. Gotta have some key lime. So you can't be dropped to talk to Gene's wife, Shannon. Oh, roasted.
Put the bodies in the wishing well.
Oh. The munchies now. Come on, Jack, let's go get some Zapp's Cajun Crown Taters. Like that, I don't want to break my teeth. May as well eat some fucking barbecued rocks. Oh shit. They just got a whole lot more Southern. No wooden spoons down in Uncle Tom's cabin. No wooden spoons that I just can't sell. Don't put the bodies in the bag. Now there's an F sharp. Oh, he does know an F sharp. You call that an F sharp? Hubba hubba pump. I'm gonna sing for warrant. You probably should. I can't stand that new guy. Why don't you do that?